most countries of the world, such as the Americas, Australia, Thailand, and South Africa, and so on. For also, we already get only positive feedback from our customers. And for today's lifetime, we have very big promotions for you. And now, my partner Kayla will show you our special offer.
Okay, today everyone who places order during our live time will get a $20 discount from original price $679 to $659. Just click the product link to purchase. If you are interested, don't miss it.
Yes, you can see our special price on the screen. And also, this is the promotion for all of you. And if you have any question, please leave your message on the live show. And okay, now let me see some questions from our customers.
Okay, let's check the first question. Our friend asks, how long I can get the goods if I place order today?
Normally speaking, it will need maybe 5 to 7 days after the payment. But it depends on the transportation method and the distance of you. It means where you are.
Okay, next question. Can I order the conveyor belt together?
Yes, of course, because we sell many of the devices and machines, right? And in this lifetime, we can get a special price in our PIZ printers. In this one, KD210. But we also glad to, if you need something else, anything we have, we can make order together. You can also get the special price.
Okay, let's see next question. What is your delivery weight?
It depends on your order's value and the weight. Normally, if it's not too bigger, we will suggest you to choose the X price, such as the DHL or the FedEx or the UPS. And if the order will be have a higher weight or the volume, we suggest you to choose the C transportation.
Okay, our question is clear.
Yes.
I think some of you are already eager to see our product, right? Now let's open the box and see what you will receive after payment. Okay?
Okay.
Let's open the box. These are all the accessories you will receive inside the box. Let's see the host machine first. This is our host machine. It's only 2 kilograms, very light and easy to install. And on the shelf, the material is aluminum, very strong and anti-interference. We can see under the machine there are many interfaces. This one for USB, and this is the power switch, LAN interface, and here is for the power charger. These two interface is for the have to connect to the head one. Alright? And we have one free cartridge for you. It's black color and half-inch. Maximum can print 12.7 millimeter. It's for free. And this is the power adapter and the cable. This is the sensor holder. And also have some stainless steel packs for holding the sensor. And then this is the print head and the cable. material. It's aluminum also, very strong. And then let's see what's inside the plastic bag. First is the ink tooth for remove the air inside the cartridge. Here is the ground wire to prevent the static electricity. This is the RS322 cable. And we have one stylus and one USB disk. This is the sensor and the cable. It's the sensor. And all these left are the mounting blocks, cross-mounting block, and some accessories. Okay, that's all the parts you will get after the payment. Remember guys, today after you order from our lifetime, you will get $20 discount from original price $679 to $659. Only click the product link to purchase. If you are interested, don't miss it.
Yes, and also the special price already in the screen. And just now, we have shown what you will receive after the order, and our inkjet printer can be used in many fields, such as the packaging, the medical packaging print, and all the others. And next, let's do a demo printing to show you how it works. Okay. Okay. At first step, we need to put the power button to start the machine. And as you can see, there is a two logo of our companies, and this part we supposed to customize to your logo on the screen and also the brand plate. And don't forget, you need to insert the ink cartridge before it opens. And lock it.
Remember, when you remove or put into the cartridge, keep the machine off.
Okay, now as you can see, this is the first interface of the machines. We need to put the button as unlocked to make a operation. And first, we can show you the difference is also our advantage between the other machines. You can see as the system setting, you can choose the system language and the input language. And this part, we support to about 40 languages to choose. And also support the 16 kind of the barcode to print. You can see this type of languages. And also we can input the others. And this is the input languages. And this time we choose the English to show you how it works, okay? And remember, if you need to change the languages, please choose the OK, and when they restart, you can use the language you need, okay?
So we need to restart now?
No, just English, that's okay. Okay. At first step, if we want to print, normally we need to print the logo and the date, the series, right? And first time, let me show you how to print the logo. And the first thing, let me show you how to print our logo, okay? Space, you can delete it. The logo is just the letter, it means it's a word. You can insert text, right? Text content. At first, put the insert text button. And as you can see, you can include the text in here, the enter text. Our company's face, and also our brand. Right? This is our company's name and brand. And then all the others means the first one is direction. We can make this word be straight or be level. And also the other is the axis and the y-axis. It's the position of the whole printing. You can see this screen. At first, we put it in here. And axis, it means this. We choose the one will be the top of this, right?
Okay.
You can see?
Yes.
And also the y-axis is also the same. The one will be the top.
Yes.
And then it's the font size. Font size also just a normal means the size of the word, right? Now it's the 150. We can choose maybe 50 is okay. Be smaller, right?
Yes.
And also the font. We can choose much of the font, but we may, if you have any font that you need, you can send us the data, and we will up to our engineering to make your machine can support that font. Okay.
You mean we can import other fonts the customers need and
Yes.
import to the machine?
Yes, it's
Okay.
the other kind of the customize the font, right?
Okay.
And also the last one is the space. The space means the distance of the letters. Let me show you, okay? Normally it's the 0. You can see this the distance. We can choose a bigger one is the 16, 30.
Yeah, the space
30.
is bigger.
Yes, it will be bigger. Okay, now let me show you how to print, okay? And after we edit the content, and before the start printing, we need to put the print message. And you can see this machine is taking the normal. And then we put the start printing button and keep for 2 to 5 seconds.
So you mean after we edit, we need to click this button,
Yes,
message, to update what we edit,
yes,
right? And hold this button for 2 to 3
to
seconds.
5 seconds. It's
Okay.
okay. It's okay.
So what material you will bring?
First, let me show you the normal things is the paper, okay?
Paper,
Just the white
okay.
paper.
Okay. Because our machine has connected to the encoder, right? So
Yes.
we need to open the conveyor.
Conveyors,
Okay.
yes.
I will open the conveyor.
Okay. Okay, as you can see, this is our company's logo, and it reads so clearly.
It's very clear. See? You can see the effect.
Yes.
It's very clear on the paper. Let's try again.
Okay.
Can you adjust the how to say our company name, the space or the font?
Yes. We can
Adjust
change
it
that.
bigger.
We can make it bigger.
Mhm.
And first, stop the printing and click the content, and we will change it to the 150. Is that okay? Okay.
Can I try?
Yes.
I will change the space.
Space.
Yes. I will change the space to 0.
0 is okay. It's normal.
And the font size, I will
Yes,
make it smaller
Smaller.
to
Okay.
100.
100.
Yes.
Okay. And the others, like the direction or the X-rays.
It's okay. It's okay. So I will try to print. After I have re-edit, I need to click print message to update,
Yes,
right?
of course.
And then click this button, hold
And
for
keep-
2
yes.
to 3
Hold 2 to 3
seconds,
seconds.
and then we start to print.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, after the sensor detects, it will print, right?
Yes, it will start print, and we will hear song.
There is a sound.
Yes, and you can see this will be better this times, and the word will be bigger and the color will be darker. You can see.
Yes.
Okay, this is how we print the text. Let me show you the others. Okay. Normally, except the text, we will print the time or the date. So let's insert the clock. Okay. And this part, you can see the clock content is the date or the time. It's different. You can choose the date or we can choose the time. But first, we like to choose the date. Date is morning, right? And the date 4, you can see there's so many different type of the date.
Yes.
The years, months, and date, or the date, month, year, all the others, so different model. And we can choose the first one. Okay. This is this year and this month and this day, right?
Our customers, can you see our showing clearly? Can you see our demonstration clearly? Yes.
Okay. Then we will show the others, and this is the base section. Is the other things to account the numbers, and this thing is the time or the month, and this is the clock outside, and the day, hours. It means normally, and now we can print it today, but normally we can print the guaranteed days. We may need to print maybe 2 months ago, 2 months later, right? We need to change the print, so we can choose this part, like this one. Choose the months. We can say maybe 2 months is okay.
Only one time we can change 2 months later.
Yes.
No need to edit one by one.
Yes.
Okay.
It will be better. It will be easier to your operation and printing. You
Yeah.
can see it will change the months.
Yes.
And also, it can also change the font size clearly.
You can see, right? It's very clear.
Okay, let's change the time. With the clock, and choose the clock function to be the time, and you can see the time right now. If you want to move the content position, you can choose this one. This means you can choose the x-axis to the 1 and the y-axis to the 1. Then you will see in the first place, it will show you the time. And also the time format is also have these types, hours, minutes, and the seconds, and also only seconds or the others. And also can change time to maybe 2 hours, 4 hours, seconds, or minutes is also okay. Just try to clock outside the maybe 2 hours. Okay, you will see the hour will change.
Okay.
And also the other is the same with the content, or it's the text and the date. Okay, now let us print the time. Okay.
And all the customers, you can leave your questions on the screen. Later, we will answer your question one by one. It starts print.
Yes. As we can see times, this is the time right now, right? It's the 2 hours later. And then beside the content, beside the text and the clock for time, normally we can print the file, right? Some company has their own numbers series to print their own message, the special message to print. Then they will need to insert some files to print the special message.
So what kind of files they can import?
Normally it's about the picture, like the BMP format, picture BMP format, and also we support the database. The database like the EXL or the CSV, these formats, and also the normal text. Insert the file.
We can see we have many types of 2D decoder, right? Just now you mentioned.
As you can see, this is the database, right? You can choose this one.
Maybe you need to turn aside. Our customers, our friends can see it.
Is that okay? At this time, we can see this is the first line and to the first type to the message, right? This is the number one home, and we can choose it start with the maybe box length, maybe to the one. And this is the box length. It will show you that it will decide the length of the content. Maybe we can choose the 9. We'll show you the 9 letters. You see? Okay, it's too big. We can be smaller. As you can see, they will show you the 9 letters, and we change to the 10. We'll show you one more. Oh, this is 100. You can see the difference. You can choose the length we need. And also the character side. You can use the ASCII or the Unicode. It's also different. Normally it's ASCII will be okay. And we can choose the position of the print. Okay. Of this model. Okay, now we can print the database now. Okay, and also the same. Okay, please start printing.
I just checked our friends' questions. It's time.
You know why it's time? Because I forgot to print the print message.
Yes. Always remember after you re-edit it, click the print message to update and then print. So
don't forget to update the message. Okay?
Yeah, even us will sometimes will forget.
Yes.
Is it too big?
No, it's okay. Okay, it's done, but just
the bigger. See the tab. There are many functions, many buttons, right?
Yes, okay. So the others. Delete it. And we'll show the others. Maybe insert the logo.
Logo, okay.
Logo will be better. I believe most our customers need the printer to print the logo because the logo is important.
Yes.
And normally we can print the logo as the single color flag. So it means we need the special BMP format. Yes.
Only BMP.
Only BMP, and also it's needed the single color BMP. Okay. And the first one, and there's 2 types to insert your logo. Yes. And the first one you can use the UDisk, right? The UDisk you can bring the one in our box, right? As you can see, you insert the interface, and we will choose the one. You can see the file source. There's a UDisk file, right? But now it's just right because we didn't insert any UDisk.
Yes. So there is 2 ways.
Yes, and the other is the local files. It means it's not means you can just edit any picture in our machine. Just means you can upload the picture from the UDISC to the machines. It means you don't need the UDISC again. Just one time you can upload the logo.
Okay, local files means you already imported the logos to the machines and then print.
Yes,
okay.
The machines can hold some pictures or text. And let me show you this someone. Okay, we have the our nozzle test PMD. You can see this is the logo file.
So this is already in our machine, so you can print.
Yes, this one is just normally for the test.
Okay.
And then first we can show you this scale radio. It means we can make it bigger or smaller.
Okay.
It's important because sometimes we need the logo be smaller in the car because the max the print height just each printer just the 12.7 millimeters, right?
Okay.
So the size will be much important. At first, let me try to change the scale a little.
Is it small?
Yeah,
is
okay.
it too
If
small?
you think it's too small, it will be 75.
Okay.
So clear.
Yes.
And also the other is the same, but different ways. It can change and only change the height all at once. This part you can see you can change the height and without change the width. You can see. Now it's 112. You change to the 200. Okay. You can see.
Okay.
The picture changed to the longer, right? But the width didn't change, so we can change the single things. And also the others is the similar with the types or the times, like the direction, x-axis or y-axis. Okay.
Okay.
Now.
Okay. Let's try to print.
Yes, I think so. And at the first time, put button print message first.
Yes,
okay?
always remember.
Yes, always remember that. Let us try to the other area, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now, as you can see, this is the logo of the nozzle test, right? Yes, it's very clear.
Let me see. Let me show to our friends. Can you see clear? Can you see clear? So this is the photo already in our machine. It's very clear. How to focus? Yeah, can see clear, right? And all our friends, if you have any question, just leave here. We will answer later one by one.
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
What's next function?
What's next? Okay. It's really funny because it's so many functions, and also next will be just shift. Okay. How about shift?
I think you need to stand a little here,
Yes.
so our friends
okay?
can see. Yeah.
Okay, change to the maybe 50. It will be more clear.
What is shift?
It's a shift. Normally, in some big customer, they have a big factory.
Yes.
They need the production line work 24 hours,
Yes.
right? So it need the shift. Need the employees work together each and every.
Okay.
So it need the shift, like that shift. Normally it's 3 shifts. It means the one shift is the 8 hours and the 3 shift can work for whole days for 24 hours, right?
So normally 24 hours, 3 shifts, 8 hours each shift.
Yes, just like us. We work 8 hours a day, right?
I hope not. I hope not 24 hours.
Yeah, also. Oh, as you can see, the first one, we can show the starting times. If you change the time by yourself, you don't need to change one by one. At the same time, maybe 4 o'clock, they will change to B. Or at 1 o'clock, they will change to the A. You don't need to change by your hand. The machine can change the message by yourself. The only thing we need is to make the site still right.
So we can know who was working according to the letters.
Yes,
right?
about this letter, about this message, we will know who produced this product, right?
Okay. Okay. So it's for okay. There is start working time and finish working time. Right?
Yes, and time. This is the machine. We need to start work at maybe 6 o'clock.
So we can
change to the 6.
And finish.
And also the maybe the 9. The 9 will be 10. Now
Yes.
so it's usually the last one.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So that's great.
Okay.
That's great. Okay. And to print the message.
Print the shape. Shift.
Okay. As you can see, it's 3C, triple C, right?
So according to the letter, we know what time you work.
Yes, and also, we forgot something. As you can see, this is A and CC is not the stable things. We can change it. You can change it. Maybe we want to. My name is Brad, right? And my first name is Jia. So we can change these things. My first name. As you can see.
Yes.
This is my first name.
Okay.
You can change the content as you wish, but only 3 letters.
Yes. When I see your name, I know what time do you work.
Yes, and also you can know this thing is made from me.
Yes.
Okay. Next.
Next function, what is it?
Next function, let me show you the serial number.
Serial number, okay.
Yeah, it's also normally print content in the factories, right?
Serial number.
Serial number, you can see. And that's 0, meaning 0, of course, yes or no. Yes. And serial number 7. This means different. And also the base secretary is a different accounting style. Maybe 10 or 5 or 6 equal. And this is the position of the printing of the same. And also, this is the important part.
Yes.
This 2 limited means the up and down. At first, the limited 1, it means we'll start which one? Maybe start with the 0, maybe start with the 1. This means the minimum number will be 1, the limited 1. And the limit 2 will be the maximum number. Maximum number, normally we like to use the 8, right? Yes. Okay, and the setting step.
What is setting step?
Setting step means the change number. At first, we will show you the number of 1, and if we change the second number to 2, the next number will be 1 plus 2. Then will be 1 plus 2 plus 2.
So it's 1, 3, 5.
Yes. This means the step, the change step.
My math is very good.
Oh yeah, seems like okay. Okay, now let me turn to the 2. Okay.
Yes.
And this is current value. It means the now, right now, what's the value? Okay. Let me choose the right now is the 1.
Update.
Okay, you can see this only 3 letters. Why? Do you know why?
3 letters? Because you input 3 letters.
No, because we set the limited number to the 888. It only have the 3 letters, right? You don't need any other letters, right?
Okay.
So 3 is enough. And repeat, it means normally we start production. We will not only print maybe like I said, less than 1,000.
Yes.
The one day the factory can print the products maybe more than 1,000, far more than that. So we need to repeat the number again and again, right?
Oh, so we can decide how many times to repeat.
Yes, and to crack it. And also update and reset, we can change it. Now the current value we can change to 7. Okay, update will be 7. And the setting step will be the 5. And this time, let me print twice or the 3, you can see different, okay?
Let's see if the number change.
Yes, it never change. Let me try it again. 7 numbers. 1 and limited to the 7. Start with the 1 is okay, and the setting start to the 2, and current value to the 5. It's okay.
Update. Okay.
Update. Okay. And now put
Print message.
Print message.
Yes.
Okay, let us start the print.
The first time it's
5.
It's 5.
And
right?
you can see in the screen it changed to 7,
Yes.
right? And now we can print 7. Yes, 7. Now you can see it's the 9.
Okay.
Right? So each time is different, just changed by the step. Resetting the step be the 2. So
Okay.
each time we
So
change
every
2.
time 2 more.
Yes,
than
2 more. Yes.
Than the previous.
Yes, and when it up to the max numbers, the limited, we're back to the 1.
Okay.
And repeat it again. Okay. Now, these others. Oh, this one is important. You can insert the GS1 code, right? But you need the special number of the GS1 code. And you can connect with our engineering. They will show you how to connect and how to read.
As I know, not all the machines have this function, right?
Yes, it's very serious function of the normal machines in market because it's very special. It's specialized in some factories. They don't have the ability to produce this one.
Okay, so this is one of our advantages.
Yes, one of our advantages.
GS1.
GS1.
Yes.
And also the weight price.
Weight price.
Weight price. Normally in some customers need use our printer to print the weight of the package.
Yes.
Yes, right. So they can connect with
the RS-232.
Yes, through that to connect with other
waiting machine like
yes,
a scanning
machine,
gun or laptop.
Yes, something like that. Normally it's the weighing machines and can print the weight of each package and on the product, right? Will be much better than weighting like human.
Oh, okay.
So it can print the weight.
So it's more automated.
Yes. And also the next is insert number. This is a special function. You can insert the special numbers, and there's no orders and chaos numbers, right? And sometimes we use it.
So it's a random. It's a random number.
Yes, random number.
Okay.
Okay, this is the sub part of our printer's function. And if you have any interest in our printers, please don't forget. In this time, during our lifetimes, we have a special price for you. Before the original price is $679,
yes.
and now you just only need the $659. You can save $20 for you. Okay.
How to purchase?
How to purchase? You can just click the product link on the bottom of your phone, okay?
Yes, you can see our product link on the screen. If
yes.
you place an order today, you get $20 discount.
Yes, that's a big
okay.
discount.
We never have before, right?
Yes.
Only our laptop.
Yes, that's only for our friends to show our live stream, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now, Let's end up printing.
I have some other material. Can you
Oh.
try?
You want to try the other materials?
Yeah, it's foil.
Foil.
And this is the plastic. Can you try if you can print on it?
Of course, we can print it. Okay, let's keep printing. Okay.
Give our friends an opportunity. What kind of things you want to print? You can type on the screen. Okay.
Okay. How about print our company's name?
What you want us to show to print? You can leave your message here. We
Yes.
will print according to your request.
Yes, we will show you the print effective.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's try the foil first. Wow, so clear.
Yes, much better than the others.
Yes.
You see?
Let our friends see. Very clear, right? And as I know, many products use this one to pack.
Yes, sometimes this package will be more stronger and healthy and clean. And
Yes.
some like the USB cable or some others or some special things like the alcohol tape.
Yes.
Like this one.
Just now we opened it, right? We opened our box.
Yes.
There is this kind of plastic.
Yes, okay.
So
We can try this again.
We will try the plastic to print.
Yes, no plastic package. As you can see, even this plastic and
Yes. But
also
clear also.
yes,
Mm.
so clear. Do you have the other things?
I don't have.
You can try to challenge our printer. Okay.
Okay. Maybe it's too thick.
Yes.
So can you give us a conclusion? What kind of material it can print?
Wow, it's can print on most of the materials, such as the paper, the carbon, like some metal or clothes, some part of clothes, or something like plastic.
So many materials.
So many materials, and also because the ink cartridge has different type. We have the water-based ink cartridge and UV ink cartridge, and also the solvent ink cartridge. If you use the water-based cartridge, maybe just can print on like the paper, clothes, these things. May not print on the metal or plastic, these things. But normally we choose the solvent ink cartridge.
And I know many customers use the printer to print on pet bottle. It's also okay, right?
Yes, of course. We can change this the
Turn the angle, right?
Yes, turn the angle to maybe the top, maybe the side. But the first thing, the only thing I need is to keep the print head just on the down place. Okay. You cannot print just up.
Cannot print to upside.
Yes, we cannot print
Letter,
from the
right?
bottom to the upside.
Ah.
It's not okay. Because it's the ink, so we need to make the ink go to the print head.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's all the functions.
That's part of the function. Maybe you can show the other function in the next time.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
After
Okay, and after that, we'll get to our
remove the cartridge. Okay. So the demonstration is finished. Let's continue to see our friends' questions.
Yes.
Let's see what questions our friends ask.
Okay.
At the moment, the internet not so well. Let's see what our friends want to know. Everybody, anything you want to know, just leave the message here. We will answer one by one.
Yes,
All right?
I will answer online.
print on food package? Can I print on steel? Can I print? Okay. So most of the questions are about the printing material.
Okay.
Okay. We can watch a video from our customers' feedback. It can show many materials the printer can be used on. Brad,
Yes.
could you please play the video?
Okay. We just have some video.
Let's see the screen. It's printing on the envelope and on the carton. And on the foil, the blue color ink. Very clear and not easy to remove.
Yes. This is the feedback video from our customers. This is print on the shoes. You can see it's very better. This is print on the plastic bag for the green and also containing with the barcode. And this is print on the plastic box on the X. You can see there is a time and the date. This is just a normal plastic seal, the seal plastic. And with the full print tag.
Okay.
This is the print content. This is the sealing machine and work with our printers. After sealing, the printer will print the date and the time on the package. You can see this is our KD210 print tag.
So our printer can cooperate with other machines to work together.
Yes, of course. It can input and output the message, connect with the other device.
Like the paging machine.
Yes, of course, like paging machines.
Induction sealer.
Yes, induction sealers. Or like computer control. Or something like the alarm light.
Alarm light.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Video. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what our friends ask.
Okay.
How about how long is your warranty?
Wow. For our printers, the warranty normally is the 2 years.
We have 2 years warranty.
Yes, 2 years.
How about the after-sale service? I think he means after I bought the machine, what kind of support you have or what can you help me?
Yeah, I got you. At first, after you make an order and you get the printers, so how to use it, maybe online for 7 plus the 24 hours. And also we have the engineering to help you fix any problem of our printers or any other things, other problem you may need.
Okay, if you have any question, you can follow us and ask our colleague.
Yes.
Okay. And another question. Do you have what kind of certificate do you have?
Wow. Normally, it's the first certificate is the CE certificate. Let us see the screen. And the second is the ISO for all the products. And then is the rules for our printers. And besides that, we also have the MSDS for our ink cartridge. I think this full certificate is enough to show you our quality.
Okay. No more questions? No more questions. Actually, our product has more advantages, different from other machines in the market. Brad, could you please introduce some of our advantages?
Yes, of course. At first, just like the CPU is very important, it's the heart of the machines, right?
Yes.
Our CPU is American's industrial chip. It will make sure our machines will be never mind the things like the stock or the something hard in operation, and also will be much faster. And our machine supports more than 40 languages, just like I showed on our machines, right? The 40 languages, and also support like the 60 type of the barcode. It's a very strong function on the computers.
So as I know, our industrial chip is very how to say
Just only few brand can use these chips.
so few companies
Yes.
have industrial chip.
Yes, because it's the best. None of the stock or none of the mistake. So we choose the best one.
Okay. So our machine have RS232 interface, right?
Yes.
It can connect to many external devices, like what we said just now. For example, the waiting machine, the scanning gun, the laptop, or some other machines, right?
Yes.
It's one of our advantages. And about the nozzle, maximum we can connect 6 nozzles, right?
Yes.
And each nozzle can work independently, right? And for each nozzle can work for one production line. And during when you print, you can choose each alternating column to switch left and right. So after this function, you can prevent the ink hose clog, right?
Yes.
So it's our nozzles advantages. And then one more thing, our machine uses the ink droplet consumption algorithm,
Yes.
right? So it can save 15% of consumables than the similar product, right? That's all our advantages.
Yes. And there's one tip of all customers, because when you're using a cartridge, as long as the no printing mission for half hours, you may need to take it out of the printers, because or it will the ink hole will be clogged, and that leads to the unclear printing or the other problem like that. And once the cartridge clogs, please use the non-waved fabric cloth to clean it. Let me show you how to use that. Okay. Okay. At first, just put the non-woven fabric cloth smoothly on the table, and then put some alcohol.
Yeah, strong.
Could it be tiny? Okay, just a little alcohol will be okay. You can see?
So put the alcohol on the cloth first.
Yes, and then hold the cartridge. So hold this cartridge and make sure we can move the cartridge from the according to the ink hole lines up and down. As you can see. And pay attention, please. Do not move it left to right or right to left. It will bring the damage on the ink hole, will broken the ink cartridge. And after that, after we cleaning the ink hole, we just put this protection tag. That will be okay. But this is how to maintain the cartridge.
Okay, thank you, Brad.
Okay.
So our lifetime is almost finished. If you
Yes.
want to place an order, please hurry up. During our lifetime, you will have a $20 discount if you place the order now.
Yes.
Just click the link, the product link to purchase. If
Yes.
you are interested, Please don't miss it. So
Yeah.
let's continue to see our friends' questions.
Okay.
Let me check.
Okay.
One friend asked, what's the printing length?
The printing length. As normally the TIJ printers, normally the important thing is the maximum printing height. About the printing length, normally it's no limited because it can repeat it to print. Right? It's no limited. No.
Right. What's the ink color?
The ink color. As you can see, we can bring a black ink cartridge for free to you. So the first color is black, right? And the second, we can choose the white color, or the yellow, blue, green, or even the invisible, the UV invisible color.
So many colors.
Yeah, so many colors you can choose by the different price.
Okay, next question. What's the printing speed?
The printing speed. Oh, it's hard to say. Let me tell you the maximum speed is 400 meters, but only at the 90 dpi.
Okay, so fast.
Yes, it's fast.
I see one friend said he already purchased one machine. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, friends. Thank you for your support.
There's one person asked, can it print serial number? Probably he didn't see our demonstration just now.
Yeah.
We demonstrated just now. It can print serial number, message, logo, and photo. Many things, right?
Yes, and even the database or the GS1 numbers or the others.
Okay.
The many types.
And this question, can you use different color for one machine?
This is a special question, right? And let me tell you, because you can see our printers has two different print head interface, right? It means it can connect with the two different print head and the two ink cartridge. And we also have the other type can connect with the 6, right? We can use the 6 different color in the 6 different ink cartridge because we have that cartridge, right? So we can print the max is the 6 different color.
Okay, that's all the questions. Today's lab time, we introduced our production and how to print and some tips to use it. I think some of you are already looking forward to our next lab show, right?
Yeah.
So we are looking forward too. Let's see next time.
See you.
See you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
我咋看见黑屏半天了呢？
这声音太小，刚刚网不好，卡掉了。
声音还小吗？
下次不用准备稿，根本就不够我讲的，就半个小时我俩的稿。
哎呀，
很好，辛苦了。
这里面太热了。
这个好使吗？
我的感觉没出声呢。
很棒，辛苦了啊！怎么样，很不错吧？很好哈，很好，很好的。
感觉这个没有声呢。
可能是不是这个小蜜蜂这个不太好用了？现在？
可能是干扰了这个，没连上，这是蓝牙连的吗？
中间连上了，挺好的，是锻炼的机会。关了，关了，电脑。